Alright guys, I'm just about to do a cold start, going for a Jeep ride to my friend's house. He's the machinist. We're working on the hardtop doors in my tire carrier. So I've not run the Jeep in a week, so we'll do a cold start. It is 38 degrees right now, and the battery has been turned on for the last week. I did not shut it off as I usually do. For fire safety and stuff, I forgot to do so. And I already have 12 to 12.1 volts on the voltage regulator, so should have enough voltage. Put some of these away. Charge your headphones in neutral. It's overexposed. Some peel on the carburetor. Turned over. I got 13.2 volts, so we get a whole volt. That's alternator working. Blow pressure, we got about, just say about 50. Or to idle for a few minutes. And about the anyway, does it right up. Should try to unlock the hubs. When they lock